In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front wheel speed sensor in this Dodge Dakota. Let's get into it. We're going to be removing the left front wheel. Use a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. Now we're going to take the caliper and the bracket off together using a 21mm socket. We'll take these bolts out. Pull those off. And you want to have a brake hanger. Slide this off. And we'll just hang this from the upper control arm. Just make sure there's no tension on the brake hose. Now I'll pull the rotor off. Slides right off. Now we're going to take the bolt out. I'm going to use a 5mm hex socket. Loosen that up. Take that out. Now just grab the sensor, give it a wiggle. And you can slide it right out. Just using a trim tool, slide behind this retainer, pop that out. And it's clipped on right here. You can either take the whole clip off or undo that right there. And the connector is over here. Just get under there with a trim tool, pop this out. Push down on the tab and slide the connector off. Now take the new speed sensor, connect the wire, lock it in, and then push that in place right there. And if you want to, you can reuse the old clip or put the new clip on. We'll take the old clip off. Just use my trim tool. Just pop this clip off. Go. It's going to go like that and lock in place. And the push pin's going to go over here. Push that in. And slide this through the plate. And just slide it in position. Just push it down. It's lined up. Get the screw started. And just snug it down, not too tight. Now I'll put the rotor on. Line that up. Now take the caliper, you can take the hanger off. And slide it over the rotor. And put the bolts in. Now we're going to torque these bolts to 130 foot-pounds. Now put the wheel back on. And the lug nuts. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts down to 130 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.